In this video, I'm going to show you how to install OptiFine for Minecraft. If you find this guide helpful, then I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe. Once you've done that, feel free to drop a like too. Now, let's jump straight into the tutorial. First, close Minecraft completely. After that, open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but any browser will work. Head to your preferred search engine. I'm using Google here, but again, any will do. Simply search for OptiFine like this, and make sure to click on the official website, which is OptiFine.net. Once you're on the OptiFine homepage, navigate to the top and click on Downloads. The top of the Downloads page will show you the latest version available, but if you're after an earlier version, click on Show All Versions and scroll through. I'm going with the most recent version, so I'll click Download. You'll now land on an ad page. You need to wait around 5 seconds. You'll see a countdown in the top right corner. Be cautious here. The ads might display fake download buttons, so don't click anything except skip in the top right. After that, you'll be directed to the actual download page. Click on Download again, and the OptiFine installer will begin downloading. It's a small file, so it should only take a few seconds. Once the download is complete, close your browser. Now, open File Explorer, head to your Downloads folder, and locate the OptiFine installer. I'll drag it to my desktop for easier access. Once it's there, go ahead and double-click it. This should open up the OptiFine installer window. If the file doesn't open or something else launches instead, it's likely because Java isn't installed on your PC, or your system isn't set to open .jar files with Java. So to fix that, open your browser again and search for Java, or go directly to java.com. Click on Download Java and follow the installation steps. It's straightforward. After installing, you might need to restart your computer. Once Java is ready, come back to the OptiFine file, right-click it, select Open With, and choose Java TM Platform SE Binary. If it's not there, click Choose Another App and find it manually. Also, tick the box to always use this app. If it still doesn't work, you may need to run something called jarfix. Don't worry, it's common. I've linked a full tutorial on jarfix in the description below. This tool simply reassociates Java with .jar files. Once the installer is open, just hit install. If you get an error, don't panic. Open your Minecraft launcher, make sure you're on Minecraft Java Edition, and launch the version that matches your OptiFine download. For me, it's 1.194. Run it once and then close Minecraft. Go back to the OptiFine installer and try clicking install again. This time, you should get a confirmation that OptiFine has been successfully installed, though nothing visual will happen immediately. Next, return to your Minecraft launcher and select the OptiFine profile from the drop-down in the bottom left corner. Click play. You might see a warning since this is a modified version of Minecraft, but that's normal. OptiFine is completely safe. Just click play again. Once Minecraft loads, hit the escape key, then go to Options, and then Video Settings. You'll see OptiFine HD listed in the corner, along with many new graphics options not available in vanilla Minecraft. And yes, you'll now have access to the zoom function using the left control key. If you found this guide helpful and you enjoy using OptiFine, please don't forget to leave a like. Peace.